One common question people have when looking into micro-investing platforms is about the security of their money. Specifically, are your Raiz funds insured against fraud? This is an important topic to understand. Raiz, as a financial services company, places a high priority on security. They are regulated by ASIC and are an ASX-listed company. For the Australian platform, Raiz states that your money is insured against fraudulent and criminal activity. This insurance is reportedly through Lloyd's of London. This provides an extra layer of protection against theft or cybercrimes. Beyond the insurance, Raiz uses multiple security measures to protect your account. This includes bank-level security and 256-bit SSL encryption on their website and app. They also use account alerts to notify you of unusual activity and employ multi-factor authentication to help prevent unauthorized access. It is also key to know how your assets are held. The ETF units and cash in the Raiz Invest Australia Fund are not held directly by Raiz, but by a separate entity, Perpetual Corporate Trust. This custodial arrangement adds another layer of segregation and protection for your investments. While Raiz takes many steps to protect your funds, remember that this security against fraud is separate from investment risk. The value of your investments in the market can still go up or down. If you ever suspect any fraudulent activity on your account, the best step is to contact Raiz immediately. For complaints that cannot be resolved directly, you can also contact the Australian Financial Complaints Authority. Ultimately, Raiz works hard to ensure you have peace of mind regarding the security of your invested funds.